You're cooking
Meal.
tomato. You're doing a scrambled. We're gonna do like smoked salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon, that's our breakfast. And eating tomato. You like tomato?
No.
Yeah, tomato is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope Zachary would be like you. Yeah. We're so busy, we're moving.
It may help.
Yeah, and she's helping me because I'm holding Zachary. Thank you, Ate. You're such a good girl. Good job, Ate. It's so cute.
Oh no.
Oh no. How about you mix it?
No.
Not yet?
Okay. They're done.
Okay, until it's done. Okay, bye.
No done. No bye bye.